Many of my subscribers told me to make a video on how to create a Gmail account without phone number verification. So guys, finally in this video, I'm showing you the exact working method people use in 2025 to create unlimited Gmail accounts without phone number, no SIM card, no OTP, no hassle. So watch this till the end, because if you miss even one step, the method won't work. So friend, first of all open Gmail. In Gmail, go to the top right corner and open your profile. Then friends, in the switch account section, select add another account. So friend, now select Google in the setup email section. Then Google will ask you for a PIN or password for verification, simply enter your phone's password. Finally guys, select create account from here. If this option is not available, then please tell me in the comments. I will tell you what you should do in this situation. Next, friends, select the for personal use option. Now you can see that Google is saying create a Google account, which means it's asking us to create a Gmail account. So friends, quickly enter your full name or anything unique. Then add your surname, although this option is optional. If you don't add it, there's no problem. So friends, click next. Then Google will ask for some basic information like your birthday, month, birth year, and also your gender. Please guys enter these details because they are required for creating another Gmail account. Then friends, click next again. Now Google is asking for a username. You can simply enter the same name you used earlier in the full name section. Otherwise, Google will give you a username suggestion automatically. Then friends, click next. Now guys, this page is very important. Please make sure to add a strong password with commas and punctuation. This will make your password much stronger. Now friends, click next again. Then Google will show you a very long agreement. You can read it if you want, otherwise scroll down and select I agree. So friends, after a little loading time, your new Gmail account will be ready without verifying any phone number. I hope this guide helps you. If it does, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends who are still struggling with creating a new Gmail account. Thank you.